These are the SmartDevil 360-degree rotatable magnetic kickstand cases for the iPhone 17 series. I was sent a clear one for the 17 Pro Max and a black one for the 17 Pro. So let me show you a closer look because these are so great. Okay, here we have for the 17 Pro Max and the 17 Pro, we've got the clear with a silver ring, and we've got the matte black with kind of an opaque frosted finish. Both gorgeous. Basically the same case, just cosmetically a different look and different size, obviously. You can feel that magnetic ring on the inside. It's not between the layers or anything, so you feel it slightly here, but nothing's moving here, so it's not gonna scratch your phone. And then on the outside, that's where the ring is going to pop out and rotate. But again, nothing inside is moving. Same deal on the black, it's just a different color, but the function exactly the same. Very strong hinge, great quality. Just taking a closer look inside at the bumper, you've got great shock absorbing everywhere, including the corners. Look at that extra cushioning. Just really great. It's a soft TPU bumper with a hard PC back. Let's go ahead and pop them in there. This is the 17 Pro Max in the clear case. A white phone, that's how that's gonna look, just gorgeous. And here's a black 17 Pro going in the black case. Also a really nice look, very different look, but you'll see the color of your phone is gonna shine through here. And then on the clear, you're gonna get exactly the color of your phone shining through. And on the black one, it's going to be black, if it's a black phone. And otherwise it'll be like the color that you have, just much darker because this is like the opaque kind of material, but there you go. The buttons match the case, so they're clear and clicky on the clear one, and matte black to match the black here. Also clicky. You've got precise cutouts for your speakers. Your ports are open. Clicky, not as clicky. We have cutout here and the top. Really nice bezels to protect those camera lenses. On both of these, you've got 0.8 millimeter lip to protect your camera lenses. Great bezel over the screen as well. You've got 1.4 millimeters the whole way around. It's gonna help protect your screen without adding basically any bulk. These are nice and thin. The kickstand is 360 rotatable, smoothly rotatable, no clicking into place. So it's going to give you a great vertical stand, horizontal stand. At any of those locations, you can adjust the angle. So great. They are MagSafe compatible. Nice strong magnet. A great feel, although if we're comparing them, the matte black is a bit grippier. The clear one is like a nice smooth plastic. Neither of these are tacky or especially grippy feeling, like neither of them feel like rubber. But if I'm saying one is slightly more grippy than the other, I would say the matte black is. You can see that texture a little bit. I can see it on my camera. I'm not sure if you can see it on the video, but there is a little bit of a texture. You really can't feel it though. Both of them are a really nice look, just totally different vibe. Amazing cases to protect your 17 series iPhone from SmartDevil. I love them both, and I know you will too.